Pinas News Outsider, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, makikimarites na naman tayo sa mga latest issue ngayon. Pero bago yan, huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's go!
Let me ask, Attorney Roque, you are the lawyer of Whirlwind,
Yes,
right?
Your Honor.
Okay.
For the ejectment case.
For the ejectment case.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you do not even know this Lucky Corporation here.
Wala po. No contact whatsoever. Kaya nga po, vehement ang denial ko. Kahit anong anino, wala po ako nakita. Itong mga naririto po, hindi ko po sila kakilala, no? Kaya nga po, ang kakilala ko lang is yung Whirlwind, no? At yun naman po ang dokumentado na talagang umapira ko sa hukuman. Hindi po talaga madidinayan at nakipagbalitaktakan ako sa ngalan po ng Whirlwind.
Hindi ba sa inyo nagkwento ni Cassandra na mayroong Lucky South 99 Corporation?
Ang sinabi niyo po,
Sinabi niya.
Yan yung umuupa sa kanila. At ang palaging, well, I do not know if this is divulging already too much po for attorney-client, no? Ang palaging issue namin is it worth defending the ejectment? Kasi kapag natanggal sila sa posisyon, wala na rin yung premises sa kanila. So parang, para kay pa, no? Wala namang ibang uupa dyan. Kung hindi
Attorney
po,
Roque, let me say this, no? The Whirlwind Company is a real estate company.
Yes po, opo, Mr. Chair.
Okay, and they were the ones that actually bought the property from Mr. Cruz. Am I right?
Yung building po sila nag-construct and they bought a
Okay.
portion.
And I think that you know that the Whirlwind Company, who also owns the Lucky South 99 Corporation, who also is connected with the Lucky South 99 Outsourcing Corporation, you would know that this is actually a Pogo hub that they would be constructing.
Hindi ko po alam na sila may-ari ng Lucky South. Ang alam ko lang po, tinayo nila itong facility ito at pinapaupahan nga po sa Pogo, Lucky South.
Thank you. Go ahead.
Apo.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay, so thank you so much, Congressman Chairman Abante. Now, Congressman Flores is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chua, are you a businessman, sir?
No, Your Honor. Namamasukan lang po sa private.
You're just an employee.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that the same with your two other companions? Can they please state for the record whether they're
Yes
business?
po.
You are?
Edwin po.
You are employed or
Employed lang po.
employed? How about you, sir?
Mr. Chair, employed lang din po.
Okay, now, have you at any point in time met the other officer of the corporation, the Miss Baterna?
No po. Wala
Never?
po kaming kilala sa mga Lucky South. Ano po?
Hindi kayo nakita ever since?
No po.
So this is the first time that you've seen her?
Yes po. Sa
Okay.
second po, sa Senate po kasi na...
Okay.
na-
So when was the first time you heard about your names being incorporators of Lucky South 99?
Mr. Chair, nung pong June 26 po kasi, yun nga po yung kanina sinabi ko,
June 26 of what year?
2024 po, na may nag-message po sa akin na nasa news daw po yung pangalan ko. Tapos, yun nga po,
So may mga dinawit na pangalan dito. Gets mo yun? Okay.
nakita po, nag-search po yung wife ko sa Google, saka doon sa Facebook, na andun nga po yung pangalan ko. Nabanggit din po yung pangalan ni Edwin at ni Marion na part daw po kami ng Lucky South 99.
So all of this time, wala kayong like notices that you received from any communication, from any government office or agency for that matter, relating to Lucky South 99
First time po namin makareceive dun sa Senate po.
sa Senate?
Opo.
Like in your respective residences, wala kayong natanggap na sulat, notification, whatever,
No, Your Honor.
pertaining to Lucky South 99?
Wala po, Your Honor.
So when you found out in June of 2024, sabi nyo, na enrolled kayo sa Lucky South 99, when did you decide to file a case against the incorporators of Lucky South 99?
Nung pong nag-inquire po kami sa SEC para po, ayun po yung advice ng lawyer na mag-inquire kami sa SEC para po makita yung kung sino po yung mga incorporator and officers po ng Lucky South. So nag-request po kami ng dokumento sa SEC. Then right after po noon, nag-file po kami noong July 10, 2024.
Okay, so prior to that, were any of you required to submit copies of your licenses, IDs, or any other forms of identification which usually are attached to the articles of incorporation?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala.
Wala po.
Team numbers.
Doon po sa dokumento po nakuha namin sa SEC, andun po yung TIN number namin doon sa certificate, director certificate na sinubmit nila, which is forged po lahat yung pirma namin.
But the team numbers are correct naman.
Correct po yung TIN number, pero po yung issuance nakalagay po doon Angeles City, which is hindi naman po yun ang issuance ng TIN number namin.
Okay. Ms. Paterna, have you ever seen any of the three other incorporators of Lucky South 99?
Hindi po. Hindi
Ne-
ko po sila kilala.
Never mo yung nakilala?
Never po.
Never were you present in any meeting where all the three of them were also present?
Never po.
Never. Ikaw lang yung nasa office palagi.
Opo.
Ikaw lang yung nauutusan ng mga persons running Lucky South 99.
Yes po.
And you never got a call, text, message, or anything from any of the three persons involved? Itong mga bisita natin ngayon.
Wala po.
Ikaw lang.
Opo.
Okay. Mr. Chair, thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am Paterna and the three guys, no? Kasi hindi po kami galit sa inyo, pero there's something missing eh. Missing ano. And we're about to find it out. We are going to find it out. Now, the motion will be withdrawn to cite you in contempt. I think we have to withdraw that.
Point of order, Mr. Chair. It should be me that should withdraw the motion, not the chairman of the committee. It should be me. And Mr. Chair, I reiterate my motion because look, these people are actually insulting me. I'd like to ask the director of PAOK, do you believe that these people know many things? Naniniwala ba kayo na may alam itong mga to?
What we could say, Your Honors, is that we would include them in the criminal charges that we would file because we are not buying the story that they are innocent victims of an identity theft.
Therefore, you know that they know something, right?
I agree, Your Honor.
Therefore, with this basis, I reiterate my motion for contempt.
Okay. I am just a chairman and we have members and I respect the decision of the members on this. I'm telling you, guys, we have to find out the veracity of your statement regarding your employment. We have to see, can you kindly submit all your documents pertaining to your being an employee? Katulad nung si Chua, nagtatrabaho daw siya sa appliance center sa Anson. Is this true?
Yes po, Your Honor, pero kaka-resign ko lang po.
Wala kang properties, wala kang sariling bahay, wala kang sasakyan, walang...
Actually,
How old are you?
magpo-48 po.
40,
47, going 48.
47.
Yes po.
So you were not employed by the Lucky South or any corporations under this
Never po.
this Pogo
Never
Hub?
po, Sir, Your Honor.
And you also yes, you.
Never po, Your Honor.
How old are you?
38 po, Your Honor.
38. You have your own house, your own car?
No, Your Honor.
Are you sure?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because we are trying to look on the on the veracity of your statement here.
Yes, Your Honor. I
And
only
also-
have a motorcycle po.
Mr. Chair, hindi po ako connected sa Lucky South. Meron po akong bahay na tindiran, naka-loan po sa bangko po.
Wala nang anumang property na nakapangalan sa inyong tatlo?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Your Honor, ako property lang po, lupa lang po, wala pong tayong bahay.
How big is the lot?
180 square meter na sa Kanlubang po.
Okay, thank you so much. Ikaw ano, Baterna, may mga property ka ba nakapangalan sa'yo?
Wala po.
Nakatago lahat.
Wala.
Nakatago. Ba't sumagot ka lang oo?
Wala po talaga, Your Honor. Promise.
Yung Ferrari wala sa'yo.
Wala po.
Okay, 1 minute suspension.
Tatawa pa. Yung girl para walang alam, no? Parang alam ko siya yung taga-pirma. Pumipirma lang siya. Forward natin.
I'll be reserving my question in the Quadcom. So, before you move, for the whatever motion you have in your mind, can we just allow the co-chair to ask some question as well?
Go ahead, go ahead.
Go ahead, Chair.
Thank you, Co-Chair, for Ms. Ronely Baterna. Earlier, sinabi mo na hindi ka gumagawa ng mga resolutions, lahat pinapipirmahan sa'yo.
Yes po.
Then tinanong din yung paano yung articles of incorporation, being the corporate secretary, sabi mo, ang nagpe-prepare, sino?
Ano po yun?
Sino nagpe-prepare ng mga papel na pinapipirmahan sa'yo?
Si Attorney Medina po.
Attorney Medina. Tapos sabi mo kanina rin, narinig namin na tinatawagan ka sa opisina. Tapos para may papipirmahan sa'yo.
Opo, parang pag ready na po yung mga papers, parang ibibigay na lang po sa akin para po permahan.
Anong pangalan ng opisina?
Yung attorney lang po yung alam ko po.
Yan ba yung kasama mo dyan? Yung abogado mo kanina? From the same law office?
Iba po sila, Your Honor. Hindi po
Iba na ngayon.
Opo.
Sino nag-provide ulit sa kanila?
Po.
Sino nag-provide sa iyo na magdala ng abogado dito?
Ako po mismo nag-contact po sa kanila, Your Honor.
Ikaw na ngayon ang nag-contract sa kanila.
Opo.
Kanina, iba ang sabi mo.
Ay, sinabi ko po kanina ako po.
Yun sila ng Lucky South para samahan ka. Oh, sabi ng lawyer tawagin ng lawyer mo. Ginawa ko lahat kayo, puro sinungaling ang resource speaker namin. Tinanong ko sino nag-engage na services nila Please identify yourself again, attorney.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I am Attorney Giselle S. Velasco from NFC Miralles Law Office. NFC Miralles, Your Honor.
Yes. So why are you here?
Your Honor, I was asked by our law office to assist Ms. Baterna.
And
to this hearing.
to assist Ms. Baterna.
Yes.
Who in your office told you?
Taga-pirma lang siya, sis. Nautusan lang pumirma.
To assist Ms. Baterna.
Our managing
Basa-basa din.
partner, Your Honor.
And who's your managing partner?
Attorney Nadine Faye Miralles, Your Honor.
Nadine C. Morales.
Yes, Your Honor.
I've heard also that again, in law office nyo, ang pang N.
NFC Miralles Law Office, Your Honor.
Is it true? Yung law firm nyo rin na nagpa-quash nung search warrant na in-issue for
Yes, Your Honor, we are the current counsel for LS99 at the proceedings, Your Honor, at San Fernando, Pampanga.
Nung nag-apply ng search warrant, pinakwash ba? Pinakwash yung warrant.
Let me clarify, Your Honor. Their law firm has submitted to the Honorable Court a motion to quash the search warrant that we have, that has been issued to us and that we have implemented. So that's still pending, Your Honor. The search warrant against Boga et al. Boga et al., the known boss of Lucky South 99. He is a Chinese national, Your Honors.
So, Poga et al. Is also your client.
As far as I know, Your Honor, as confirmed by our managing partner, Your Honor, it was Miss Baterna who, kung sino, si Miss Baterna po ang nag-communicate sa office namin as the CorpSec of Lucky South 99, and siya din po yung nag-engage sa amin for our services. As representative po of Lucky.
So, sino magbabayad sa inyo?
That, Your Honor, I am not privy to that engagement, Your Honor. Since that is, Your Honor's...
So si
Mr. Chair, may I interject?
Wait,
Just
wait.
one question in relation to
Ronaldin,
what you said.
wait, Congressman, Ronaldin Baterna, you
Ba't ganun? Parang lahat walang confident na magsalita ng... No? O natatakot na sila?
coordinated with them, ikaw nakipag-usap para to get their services. Yun ang sinabi ng abogado. So meaning you have all this authority, di ba? All the authority emanates from you dahil nga siya nagtatanggol, ang NFC ang nagtatanggol sa Lucky South 99. And you coordinated with them. Di ba? Kanina, binanggit mo, wala kang alam lahat. Hindi ikaw nakikipag-coordinate, hindi ka kumakausap sa abogado. But now they're telling us na ikaw ang nag-coordinate. So, dito, kikita na natin yung pagsisinungaling mo.
Mr. Chair.
Diba? So ngayon, sino? Sino nag-utos sa iyo para makipag-coordinate sa NFC?
Totoo po yung mga sinasabi ko, Your Honor, yung wala po talaga akong alam about doon sa mga pinipirmahan ko. Pero yung sa kanila po, ako po talaga yung
Pero kanina sinabi mo hindi ka di ba?
Mr. Chair. Walang.
Yes, wait. Let the chair finish first. So hindi mo sinabi kanina na ikaw nag-coordinate. But now sinasabi nila na ikaw nakipag-coordinate sa kanila. Di ba? So, now you will agree with me that ikaw talaga nakipag-coordinate sa kanila. And I'm asking you right now, kung ikaw nakipag-coordinate sa kanila, sino nag-utos sa iyo para makipag-coordinate ka sa abogado na ginagamit ng Lucky South? Sino?
Ako po.
Alam mo, hindi mo sinasagot ng tama yung tanong ko. Ang tinatanong ko, sino nag-utos sa iyo para kausapin ang lawyer ng NFC para ipagtanggol kayo sa korte at samahan ka dito sa Kongreso? Sino nag-utos sa iyo?
Kasi po, nung...
Sagutin mo muna ang tanong ko, sino? Kasi kanina sinasabi mo wala kang alam, hindi mo alam na ikaw presidente, hindi mo alam na ikaw corporate secretary, hindi mo alam yung mga pinirmahan mo. You are telling all these lies na sinasabi mo wala kang alam. Now suddenly, eto ikaw, pumunta ka sa isang law firm. Ikaw ang nag-represent
Mala Alice Go. Sumagot. Walang alam.
sa Lucky South 99. And telling them, hinahire ko kayo bilang kayo magtatanggol sa amin. Pero meron ka palang ganitong klaseng authority. Ngayon ang tanong, sino ang nagsabi sa iyo na kausapin ang law firm na NFC?
Yung totoo po niyan, Your Honor, may tumawag po
Sino nga?
isang attorney.
Sino? Anong pangalan?
Si Attorney Abby po tumawag.
Sino Tony Abe? Anong pangalan niya? Full name?
Abby lang po yung pagkakaalam kong name.
Kasama sa Lucky South 99.
And under po ng law nila, ng law firm. Tapos parang tumawag po siya para daw
Ang
po.
tatawag sa iyo ay yung sa law firm para sabihin sa iyo na makipag-coordinate ka sa sarili nilang law firm. Kaya naloloko mo kami dito.
Hindi po. Di ba po ako po yung corporate sec.
Okay.
Tapos tumawag po si Attorney Abby sa akin. Na
Sino
parang-
tumawag sa iyo? Sa attorney ng law firm.
Opo, attorney po ng law firm.
Para?
Tapos parang may inaano po siya na may pepermahan daw po ako. na about nga daw po sa Lucky South.
Hindi, kanina, Ronaldin Baterna, ang sabi mo, babalikan natin. Ang sabi mo kanina, okay, tinatanong kita, sino nag-coordinate sa lawyer? Sabi mo, hindi mo alam. Hindi ikaw. Sinanong namin ngayon lawyer mo. Ang sabi ng lawyer mo, nag-coordinate sa kanila para i-hire sila. Ikaw. Tinatanong kita kanina dahil wala kang alam sa lahat ng mga korporasyon na to. Umipirma ka lang. Tinatanong ko sa iyo, diba, inamin mo na ngayon, ikaw nagko-coordinate. Sino nga ang nagsabi sa iyo? Yung abogado mismo ng law firm para sabihin sa iyo na makipag-coordinate ka sa kanila? Is that what you're trying to tell us?
Yes po.
Ha?
Pero hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung nakikipag-coordinate sa kanila na para tawagan po ako.
Mr. Chair, mayroon na akong tanong in relation. Baka makalimutan ko yung tanong ko eh.
Mr. Chair. So, Congressman Abante, then Congressman Pacho.
Okay.
So, ang ibig niyang sabihin, may nakipag-coordinate sa law firm para tawagan itong babaeng ite kasi kailangan niya ng abogado. Ngayon, hindi niya kilala kung sino nakipag-coordinate. Ano yan? Lokohan yan?
Go ahead. I would like to ask the lawyer, ilang taon na po kayong lawyer ng Lucky?
Lawyer yan? Lawyer yan ah.
South 99 Corporation.
Your Honor, our services were just engaged by Lucky South after po the raid.
After the
The raid,
raid,
yes.
when was
Your
that?
Honor. This June or July po.
Kayo rin po ba ang abogado ng Lucky South 99 Outsourcing?
Not that I know of, Your Honor.
Okay.
Congresswoman Pancho, please.
Nag-agree po ako kay Congressman na Abante, no? Parang ginagawa tayong tanga rito ng mga resource persons natin. Now, sige, kagatin natin yung ginagawa mo kaming tanga. Kung talagang abogado nyo yan, magkano po binayad nyo dyan? Magkano po yung fee ninyo? May kakayahan ba kayong bayaran yung kanyang PF? Kasi ang sweldo nyo lang po is 23,000 eh.
Your Honor, gaya nga po ng sabi ko kanina, may kumontak po sa akin which is si Attorney Abby nga po. So, hindi ko po alam kung sino po yung kausap niya. Ang sinabi niya lang, may need lang daw ko po akong permahan.
Kasi ang sabi niyo po kanina, kayo ang tumawag. So kung kayo po ang tumawag, kayo ang nag-seek ng service po niya. So pagka po kayo ang tumawag, ibig sabihin, may pambayad kayo doon sa kanyang PF. Di ba? Kasi yun ang pinipilit niyo sa amin kanina eh. Naniniwala kami na hindi naman po totoo eh. So binago niyo, binaliktad niyo.
Yun po yung totoo, Your Honor.
I think this person is really hiding something. And she thought na we are all stupid here, you know. So what is the pleasure of the body?
There is a pending motion, Mr. Chair.
For her?
No, for the incorporators, for the four of them.
O sige, what's the
Now, realizing, Mr. Chair, that these four are mere employees, at ginamit lamang sila, out of my compassionate heart, I am withdrawing my motion for contempt. For the four. For the three, di ba kasama si Mr. Kasama yun, kasi corporate secretary siya eh. For the four. Oo. As out of my compassionate.
Parang nga silang mga walang alam. Kahit yung three boys kanina, no? Parang incompetent magsalita. Parang may mga tinatago nga.
Heart and your compassionate heart, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Hindi direct magsalita. Lahat ng resource person dun.
Thanking the good chair of the Committee on Human Rights for withdrawing that motion for the three personalities.
Hmm.
But I think on the next on Miss Ronaldine Baterna, ang dami niyang pagsisinungaling kanina pa And she's been in the company since 2019.
Yan mo. May tinatago talaga to.
19 up to 2024 up to now.
Hindi siya direct magsalita Laging walang alam. Alice Goo to.
And this woman is really may alam siya but withholding it for herself. Maybe kasi kilala rin niya si Cassandra. Ang dami niyang kilala doon sa... Well, anyway, I leave it to the body to decide on this.
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Ako, please.
may I know the parliamentary status of the motions?
Well, the parliamentary status, there was a motion initially to cite in contempt. First, yung si Ronaldine, and then the three incorporators. Then he withdrew it just a while ago. So now the parliamentary status is that was already withdrawn. So if we will show compassion to Ronaldine Baterna, it's up to the body. So
Mr. Chairman.
we decide. Yes, Congressman
Mr.
Paduan.
Chairman, just this morning, I have a motion to contempt Ms. Baterna, but I hold it because we give her a chance now to answer truthfully. Well, in fact, I already explained what is contempt. Tinagalog pa natin. So alam niya na. Alam niya na yung consequence ng pagsisinungaling sa hearing na to. So with that, Mr. Chairman, I move to cite in contempt Ms. Baterna in violation of our internal rules, Section 11, paragraph C of our rules. The violation is refusal to answer questions from the members of this committee. In short, she is lying, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
So there's a motion to cite Ronaldine Baterna under Section 11, and there was a second motion by Congressman Acop. Any objection? Hearing no objection, Ronaldine Baterna is hereby cited in contempt.
Mr. Chairman.
So the penalty. Congressman
I give
Paduano.
the privilege to Chairman.
Congressman Acop,
In
please.